Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily convert your website into a Android native app using Claude AI and VS Code. So I'm just going to be showing you a simple way that you are just going to be converting your website. In my previous video I did a video how you can use Android Studio to convert your website. If you want that video, check the link in the description or check the link above this video right now. But now we are going to be using complete AI for us to be able to achieve this. But before I get started, if you're new to my channel, please kindly do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification so that whenever I release a useful video like this, you can be able to get notification for that. So the first thing we need to do, we need to open our VS Code. Make sure that you have already connected your Cloud AI to your VS Code. Then we need to go and get our prompt. So make sure that you get your prompts using ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, whatever AI that you are using, but just make sure that you are specific. But I'm going to be dropping the exact prompts that I use for this video. So let me just go and get my prompts. So this is my prompt here. So I'm just going to be copying this prompt. So once I copied it, we come to VS Code. So this is the VS Code here. Now you can see that I'm currently not in any directory. So what we need to do first, we need to come to our file manager. So I want to put it on this this directory. So now I come to our file manager. I need to create a folder. So in this folder, I just need to name this folder. This is where all the files will be stored. So we need to create a folder where all the files will be stored. So now I'm going to be using tests, or let me just say mm, okay, Xander blog. Let me just use Xander blog. So as the folder name. So now we need to do another thing. So we need to add our image, so that because I also put the prompts giving the image link, which is the icon part. So I'm just going to be creating a folder here again, naming it assets. So I've named it to assets. So now we need to upload the image here, which is logo.png. So I'm just going to be creating a new tab, then come to this image, onto my logo. So this is the website I want to convert. So I'm just going to getting this. Okay, let me just get this one, then I copy. So I come to this place, then I paste it. So this is it. I just need to rename this to logo. All right, I think we are done with this part. So now this step 2 is for us to come to VS Code. You launch your VS Code, then you come to file, come to open folder, click on open folder, then we select the folder that we created, which is Xander blog. This is it. We select the folder, click on the folder, and click on select. So now once you click on the folder and click on select, that means that whatever project that we are building it inside this folder. So now we need to do now is for us to open our Cloud AI by coming to this left side, clicking on it. So now once we click on it, we click on new section, then we just need to wait for it to load. So now once we click on new section, all we need to do now is for us to paste our prompts. Let me just use this side. All right, so now for us to paste our prompts, so I'm just going to be window V. I'm going to paste my prompts. So this is my prompt here. So make sure that you are very specific. So I want to create for this platform, and I also leave the parts of the logo. So this is it here. Now you can see it here. Hope you can see it. So now once you are done with this, all you just need to click on, this send button. Then we just need to wait, and Cloud AI is going to be generating everything. All we just need to do, we just need to accept some things which are going to pop up. Let's wait, and we see how everything goes. So you can see that is now thinking and generating the files. Right, let me come to the files, and so that you can be able to see. Okay. Alright, so this is the kind of pop-up that you get. So I just need to click on this yes. Then I think another pop-up is going to now what he's trying to do is trying to install Flutter, because first you got to install Flutter. Yeah, just need click on yes. You got to install Flutter. Then once you can see that the code, just look at the left side, you can see that the Flutter code is now generating. This is it. So this is it here. Just need to wait, give it some time, and everything will be done. Alright, so Cloud AI is done generating or converting the website into an app. So you can see all the things that is done. So you can see all the things that is done. And the very nice thing about this is that once it is done generating the app or fixing anything that you input in the chat box and send this to it, once it's done, it's going to analyze the whole app to know if there is an error. You can see here now, you can see this red, there is an error, and it fix it. And again, it's going to analyze again to check if there is an error. So that is how very easy and very simple it is. So now we need to test the app. I need to use my emulator to run this. So by doing that, I just need to, yeah, just be in this main does that code. Then I just fin then fin 5. Then I just, or you just press F5 on your window. So we just need to wait for this um app to be launched in this emulator. So once it's launched successful, which means that the app has been created or converted, well, just know that everything is well successful. Now let's give it some time for it to run. All right, guys, so you can see that the app is now launched successful. So it's launched successful. You can do a lot of things with this now. So this is yours, the, let me say, the normal process of how you can just get this done. So now the next step is, if you want to use a, let me say, another screen, like a splash screen or bonding screen, yeah, you can add it. So, and you can also upload this app to Play Store, but you are going to be doing some digital signing and some keystone uploading. So, but in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do all of this. Make sure that you subscribe and like this video so that you will get a notification once that video is released. So see you in my next video, guys, and thanks for watching.